Bruxism is often related to TMD. We see a lot of bruxism that has no symptoms associated with it except loose teeth or worn down teeth. And we see a lot of TMJ issues, TMD issues, which have no bruxism associated with them at all. But they are related because bruxism is associated with overuse of these same muscles. And TMJ often is associated with these muscles being worn out. So in often many situations, the treatment is very similar for these different problems. Bruxism is a very damaging, destructive process. And if it's not associated with any other diseases or other problems, we often can recommend the simple soft night guard, which is very comfortable and easy to use. If it is also associated with TMJ problems, then we will recommend different types of splints, which will, number one, protect your teeth, and also, number two, relieve a lot of the joint discomfort and disorders.